What's up, guys? So today we have a special Homeowners for Noobs episode, and today we're replacing the control board on this carrier furnace. The model number and the part number of the control board will be somewhere below. Alright guys, so very important tip I'll include right here at the beginning of the video. I didn't do this the first time. It says here model plug is not included. Use model plug from existing board. This right here is the model plug. So we're going to have to remove this little thing from the old board and put it right here on the new board. So if you're seeing this video, we did get this to work, but make sure you do that. And now we'll just run through the rest of the video. So the first thing we need to do is shut off the power from the main circuit breaker to the furnace. Okay, so now the power to the furnace is off. You can see that that light here is off. Now the actual control board is behind here, so we're just going to remove this panel. We've already removed the outside panel here. So we just need to get these two bolts with the 8mm. And this should come off easily. And here's our control board that we're going to replace. Okay, so here's a closer look at our control board. So this should be a pretty easy replacement. I haven't actually done this before, but this control board is in this housing and it looks like it's just held on with these two bolts. So I'm going to try to loosen this, and then I'm definitely going to take some pictures of where everything is wired before I remove them. So these two up here are just 1/4 inch. Alright, now the housing is loose. And now it looks like the control board is just attached to the housing with one screw here, and this on this one, this side is not attached. So I think if we remove that one, then this control board will come off the housing. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and start pulling these. So it looks like most of these are only going to fit in one place with the exception of these. So I'm just going to go ahead and disconnect them. And obviously just like this is coming out pretty easy, but just go slowly, and it looks like you have to manipulate that clip a little bit to get it out. Just go slowly to make sure you don't damage anything. But we'll just work our way through and disconnect some of these. Squeeze these two ends. Okay, so as we're disconnecting these, I'm going to mark some of these with these sticky notes and just mark some indication of where they're going to go. This big one is kind of the hardest for me to get off, but it doesn't look like anything's clipping it in place. It looks like you just have to pull it out straight out. It is probably easier if you leave the screw in first, so the board is still stable in the casing. Now for these, it looks like we're going to need to unscrew that and pull these two wires out, because the new board has the same thing. Now alright, so now we've got everything loose on here. Orange is L1 left. We'll just cut that later. And then this one is the L1 right? Mm-hmm. Blue is the L1 right. Alright guys, so we got all the wires off. We labeled them with these colored zip ties. Hopefully we don't mess it up. Now we're going to slide the old circuit board out and the new one in. and everything is plugged in. This tape is holding the switch in. I'm gonna get some more tape. Okay. Now we'll just go ahead and reattach one screw and then try it. Alright, so we just lightly attached it before we put everything back. Now's the moment of truth. We're just going to turn the power back on and we're going to test it. Blinking. Is that good or bad? Alright, so my furnace just lit. You can see the blue there. So I think I'm good. So pretty happy we're able to save this and save about $400 versus having the technician do it. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Hold up. Hello? Hey.
Oh, hey, yo, hey, turn on your camera. Wants to see you. Huh?
We're kind of busy right now.
Oh, man. Okay, they're busy, Nick.
Hold on.
Right.
Hold on, let me just real quick. Huh?
What? Huh?
Hold on.
Okay.
Hi. Hi.